Hello, in this scenario I'm going to show you how you can request a self-service role which goes for approval, and this approval will be performed by a second person who will decline the requested role. All of the actions will be performed in the IdM UX. So first of all, let's log in with a person who has access to the Manage tab so we can check who are the approvers for the role we are going to request. As you see, we access the IdM UX using the alias IdM UX on the very same NetWeaver server where the IdM UI is running. And then we're going to search for our role, which is called employee. And we're going to select the role. And from the top, we're going to choose the task, which is modify. I'm going to use the helper filter here to find the proper task. And then we're going to check the approvers. As you see, we have two approvers assigned to this role, and we have a process assigned also, which is going to take the approvers from that field, and those should get an approval in the to-do tab. Okay, so let's go back and log out with that user. Now we're going to use another user, which is called IdM user. And this user, as you see, has only access to the self-services. We're going to request a new role. Let's check currently what roles are there. Okay, there is one, which is the role employee, and we are going to remove this one. Okay, remove. Okay. All right. So let's go back and start the request role again. Okay, no roles. We're going to request the role employee. We're going to provide some validity, and we're going to put a reason. Okay, as you see, the role appears with the status new, and we can submit that. According to the previous screen where you have seen the approvers, we need to log in with another user who will be the approver. Okay, let's refresh here, and the task has appeared. So we're going to pick this one, and we can extend even the details, and we can see, okay, that it's a net operation for the IdM user. The validity is set also from the 20th to the 26th. Assignment of this particular role, we can even click on it to see the further details. We can click actually on any of the blue links, so we can see who requested it, or for who it is requested. In this case, this is the same user because it's a self-service. And we can actually also even click on the different approvers where we see the same names which were available before. We have also the approval history, and of course the only thing that happened so far was the assignment that was requested, and we have the reason request started from self-service. We can see that here as well. Okay, before we decline this one, I would like to show you in the standard UI, again in the to-do tab, that we have exactly the same item, and if we select it, we see also exactly the same details here. This is the assignment information, the request information, the approval information, and the approval history. Okay, so let's go back, and what we're going to do is we're going to decline this one. the item disappears. We go back, and what we can do is we're going to log out again, log in with our initial user, and then we're going to check what happened actually with this IDM user in another way, just going through the search person. Then we're going to search here for the user, and we're going to open the display task. And then we go to assigned roles and privileges, and we can see that the raw employee was rejected. We can also see more details here, and we have like the rejected option, we have the retry entry, we have the validity which was requested, and we have also the history which is here based on when the approval was initialized, requested, declined, and that at the end the request was not assigned at 2:42. Thank you.